Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make your Omegle dark. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. To turn your Omegle into dark mode, you need to have an external extension, which is called Dark Reader, which is available on Chrome Store. Here, at the address bar, type in Dark Reader extension and click on Enter. Now click on the first link of the Chrome Web Store. After that, you can see install on here. I've already downloaded it, so I'm getting removed from Chrome button. After the installation is completed, head over to Omegle. Now enable the extension. Click on the top right corner of the screen. You can see extension button. Now find Dark Reader. Here you need to click on On button. So that is how you can enable dark mode on your Omegle. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.